The most powerful thing in the world, everybody knows this, in everything, in relationship, in business, in learning a new skill, in sport. This is confident. This is the most powerful tool in the world, is confident. If you don't have confidence in yourself, when you not believe in yourself, no matter how hard you work, you will achieve nothing. If you have confidence in yourself, you will still have to work hard, but you will achieve almost definitely whatever you want to achieve. Now listen, this is what frustrated me. So when you look online for confidence, you only see the result of confidence. You will see they tell you to make eye contact, to talk deep, to talk slow, to all of these things. This is the result of confidence. All of those things, you don't even need to know about this shit. This is shit for you. I'm serious. This is true, but for you, this is bullshit. Why? Because when you have confidence, true confidence, you will get these things naturally. Your body will act like this. You will be all of those things without even know them. Because you are confident, you will act confident. Your body know how to act confident. You just have to get your brain to tell your body that you are confident. So there is only one thing in the world that can make you confident. Only one thing is to believe in yourself. When you are believing in yourself, when you are confident in yourself, when you don't doubt yourself, you become confident. But like every damn thing in life, like training, like learning, like business, like every damn thing, you have to be persistent in this. You have to do it day after day. If you believe in yourself for one day, this is nothing. Just like if you train for one day, this is nothing. So believe in yourself every damn day for a long period of time, and you will see wonder. Your body will start to act confident. People will notice you. The way you carry yourself, the way you walk, the way you talk, every damn thing will change for you. Do it for a long period of time. Just one thing, just believe in yourself. Believe in your damn self.